guys, welcome back to Houston DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
And today we're unboxing this Thor Hammer Nerf gun.
Okay, so as Matilda says, we've got the Thor Hammer Nerf gun right here. So it's a Thor hammer and it shoots out Nerf bullets. So Matilda is going to unbox it over on the desk and then we're going to have a play with it. Matilda's going to shoot me in the head and I think it comes with a target. So we'll be able to shoot at a target as well. So first of all, we'll jump over to the desk and get it out of the box. Okay, so the Thor Hammer Nerf gun, really good product, really cool, loads and loads of fun. It obviously lights up on the side with the batteries that are included, so that's really good. You don't need the battery to actually fire it, you just pull back the lever at the bottom and you can shoot with it from there. That works great. Really powerful, lots of fun, and it obviously comes with the target as well, which is there. So me and Matilda were playing with the target there. I got 100 on my first shot. Matilda's no good. She shot me in the neck. But
I was further away than you.
Matilda was further away than me, yeah. So overall, great fun, great product, and we would definitely recommend it.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!